Maintaining black paint is a serious task. Some vehicles hide from the elements in garages, while on the opposite side of the spectrum, some vehicles are used to attack those elements in necessity or recreation, their sole purpose as an expendable piece of equipment for fun, with much less regard for cleanliness in the immediate. Now, whether it's an off-road or adventure vehicle seeing all of nature's elements, a year-round daily driver seeing rain, snow, and salt, or a show car only seeing occasional use, blemishes and contaminants are bound to rear their head, and it's our job to present a solution. In this extreme case, we'll be using an off-road SUV that sees as many trails as it does paved roads, and even more tree branches than it does car wash mitts. Our solution? Turtle Wax's Jet Black series of products, including the Black Box Finish Kit, all designed with proprietary black tint technology exclusively for black paint. We'll start with step 1 in the Black Box Finish Kit, the Black Pre-Wax Cleaner. With your car clean, dry, and out of sunlight, pour the pre-wax cleaner onto one of the provided applicators or a clean microfiber towel, and with back and forth motions, work into the paint section by section. Let it dry to a haze and follow a jet black spray detailer, sprayed onto a clean microfiber towel or directly onto the surface to be wiped. Continue these same steps again in manageable sizes throughout all of the car's panels. Once complete with stage 1, it may be a good time to look for any especially noticeable swirl marks or scratches. Here, we use the Turtle Wax Color Magic Jet Black Polish. Again, pouring onto a foam applicator or a clean microfiber towel and working into the paint with back and forth motions, drying to a haze, and wiping away with a clean cloth. Once happy with the cleanliness after stage 1, stage 2 involves the Jet Black's carnauba wax. Similar to stage 1, apply the black carnauba wax to a provided applicator or clean microfiber towel and gently work into the paint one manageably sized section at a time. Let the black carnauba wax dry to a haze and either buff away with a clean microfiber towel or use Jet Black spray detailer for assistance. We cleaned up all final details with the Jet Black spray wax, maintaining our work with the best possible final touch. With minor scratches, blemishes, and swirls removed, every black panel now boasts a rich, deep new breath of life, freed from years of contaminants and protected for more to come. Designed specifically for black cars, Turtle Wax's Jet Black series has everything you need to clean, restore, and maintain your black paint.